Hello, I'm John Persinos, Managing Director of Personal Finance and its parent website, Investing Daily. The July 10 issue of Personal Finance is now available online and in the mail to you. Here are the highlights of the specific, actionable investment advice that you'll find in your newsletter. In the first article, Chief Investment Strategist Phil Springer provides your second-half plan for dealing with uncertainty. World financial markets have been dominated by the words and deeds of the Fed and other central banks since the financial crisis of 2008. It's only natural that investors now have reacted forcefully to prospects for the reversal of a major long-term benefit, to wit, easy money. Exacerbating investor anxiety is the evident disconnect between the Fed's rosy economic scenario and the sluggish, deflation-leaning global economy. For the rest of 2013, Phil advises focusing on high-quality companies in undervalued sectors that gain from an improving, moderate growth economy without excessive reliance on it. He pinpoints the best plays now. In the second article, David Dittman provides a dividend action plan. As David explains, building wealth through a portfolio of dividend-paying stocks requires a plan. A key part of the approach we bring to dividend investing is establishing and sticking to value-based buy-under targets. In this context, the recent short-term move to the downside represents an opportunity for long-term investors to establish positions in solid companies with sustainable and growing dividends. David looks at his current favorites. In the third article, Sula Stephanopoulos demonstrates why this delivery company will stand and deliver. As a less volatile play on global economic growth, this dominant and most profitable logistics company in the U.S. is a safer bet on a pickup in economic growth, all the while offering a stable and rising dividend yield. Sula provides the details. In Growth Track, I show how technology has turned it around. Our portfolio's technology stocks face upbeat growth prospects powered by sturdy balance sheets and new products. The collapse of the technology sector in 2000 still preys on the minds of many investors, leaving them with the perception that all technology stocks are inherently high risk and volatile. The bursting of the NASDAQ bubble was a trauma that's hard to shake, but the fact is the best technology companies are well positioned to outperform over the long haul. Their muscular financial shape and full product pipelines will hold them in good stead as global growth gathers steam. I examine the technology titans in our growth portfolio as well as my best buy for this issue. In Income Report, David Dittman looks at the latest news from the income portfolio and also highlights his best buy candidate. It's a master limited partnership that has consistently delivered solid results and distribution growth through cycles good and bad. In Fund Focus, Benjamin Shepard looks at the unease over easing and how the markets have reacted poorly to the Fed's suggestion that it will curb monetary stimulus. Nonetheless, Ben reassures you that our fund portfolio, bond funds, can weather the volatility. He updates our outlook on each bond fund recommendation. And in On the Money, Philip Springer again shows you how to generate living expenses from your investments. He provides a step-by-step tax-wise withdrawal program for your retirement assets. It's all in your latest issue of Personal Finance, now available online and in the mail to you. You'll find the newsletter in your mailbox and on the website. In the meantime, please remember to keep those comments and questions coming. We appreciate your feedback, and remember, our number one job is to help you build wealth.